Hi, may I know your name and where you stay in Bangalore?
My name is Vidya, Shri Vidya, and I stay in Bangalore at Hormao.
How old is your child?
He's 8 now.
So, what kind of, what were you looking for here?
See, I was doing, my son is a CP child, and we had started his therapies when he was 4 months old. And I was not seeing any significant breakthroughs in him. I was not seeing anything that I wanted to see in terms of development, you know. So I was getting into this feeling that something internal has to change in him so that there are external changes, there are physical changes. So I was looking at some organization which was into something more deeper than just the superficial physical therapies and things like that. And yeah, I tried to look for a lot of alternate healing therapies.
So, which other kind of such organization did you consider for him?
I did go to pranic healing before and started off with pranic healing for some time. But again, there also I could see that small fevers, etc. can be addressed, but I couldn't see significant improvement in development.
So, which one did you finally choose and why?
Okay, I came to know about Ashwasan through a friend, and I came to know that they're doing a lot of work for special needs children. That interested me because they had an initiative completely only dedicated for special needs children. They had different kinds of services dedicated only for special needs children, which was at the spiritual level again, which was healings and the treatment that they were offering. It was very, very different from any other organization.
So, based on your experiences now that you've been in Ashwasan, what are the two things that you really like about?
Okay, one thing I like, most importantly what I like is that it's holistic, like it takes into consideration not just the body, but the mind and the soul also. Because soul is what has the intelligence of the person, the body as well as the mind. So it takes into account the child or anyone in entity, in completeness. That's what I like, first thing. Second thing, which I benefited a lot from was their parents' handholding. I don't think parental support in the form that I have received and other parents have received from Ashwasan, I don't think it's seen in any other organization.
And anything that could be better for Ashwasan?
I think there should be more centers. There should be more centers because there's just one center in Bangalore and it's not sufficient.
Okay. So, on a scale of 1 to 5, how likely are you to recommend Ashwasan to other parents?
I would say everyone should come to Ashwasan, every parent should come, every child should come to Ashwasan because it's a journey of transformation. It's a journey of wherever you are, you're picked and put into a better place. So every parent and every child should come to Ashwasan.
So, if you have to put a rating to it on a scale of 1 to 5?
I would give 5.
Thank you.